Hi, my name is Chef Suzy Singh, and today I'm super excited to share one of my favorite snack and meal alternatives with you, the smoothie bowl. It's simple, delicious, and a satisfying dish that's packed with added nutrients based on your favorite now toppings. So let's get started with my tropical omega smoothie bowl. In a blender, we're going to combine our now sports plant protein with banana, frozen pineapple, frozen mango, as well as coconut milk. The creamy vanilla vegan plant protein is a combination of pea, brown rice, hemp, and quinoa flour. Your smoothie bowl is almost complete. Let's place the mixture in a chill bowl and top with your favorite now ingredients. Here I'm using our organic triple omega seed mix, which is high in omega-3, 6, and not to mention an excellent source of fiber, iron, and protein. I like to layer these ingredients in single rows, but the fun part about these bowls is you could decorate them any way that you'd like. I'm also using our organic shredded coconut, our tropical fruit dyes, as well as our macadamia nut. It's dry roasted and salted. And you can top this off with some fresh raspberries for great free radical protection. And there you have it. Serve chilled and enjoy.